$30. That is it. $30. $30, guys. Please, stop spending so much. $30. That is it. That's all you guys need to spend to get yourself a travel sneaker bag right here. $30 with free shipping. Click the link down below in the description. Go to creaseguards.com. Use my promo code Danny. You're going to receive free shipping. $30 sneaker bags. You get an extra bag with your order and as well a free crease guard as well. You cannot beat this steal of a deal. Stop spending $100, $200 on a sneaker bag. $30 is where it's at. Click the link down below in the description. Thank you, Crease Guards, for sponsoring this fire video. You guys cannot beat this steal of a deal. We got some early sneakers today. I did get these from Blazendary over on Whatnot. So let's get straight into this unboxing. This sneaker does release, I believe, next month in August. I haven't seen much about this shoe. Have not seen much news about them, any stories, anything going on. It's been quiet. It's been very dead, to be honest, in the sneaker game as a whole. But this shoe, I haven't seen much info on. Haven't at all. As you guys know, Nike stock is down. The sneaker market is just really down, guys. Everything is down in shoes. But right here, we do have a shoe that I do like. I do think this is a dope release. I'm anticipating this one to release. I do think these will go for under retail, pretty much like every other shoe is going for nowadays, for the most part. We do have my Whatnot order, as well as, what is this? A thank you for your purchase from Blazendary on Whatnot. So that is awesome. Yes, I have been buying some sneakers lately on Whatnot. And right here we have the box, the black and gold Jordan 1 box. I like this box a lot. This box is beautiful. It's a real true gold color. I don't like when Jordan Brand or Nike uses a mustard yellow. Get that crap out of here to me. I really like the gold. True gold like this is. This is a size 9. I did not get my personal size, but that's okay. I don't plan on really keeping these or wearing them anyway. It wouldn't be a personal for me. Black metallic gold is the official colorway of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. I'm not sure of the release date. I don't know. I want to say it's in mid-August. You guys can comment down below. Let me know the release date, official release date. But right here we do have the Air Jordan 1 Black and Metallic Gold. Oh yeah, they did a good job with the gold. These are a real gold color. Now, there is one, I'm not going to call it a problem necessarily, but there is one major thing I do want to point out with this shoe. And I'll get into that in just a few. There's one major thing we do got to point out. I see what you're doing, Jordan Brand. I see you. I'm not sure if everyone else is going to really point it out, but I see what they're doing here with this one big time. And I'll point it out in just a few. But let's take a look at the shoe. Right here we have the black and metallic gold Air Jordan 1 High OG with the hang tag. This hang tag, yeah, they put this on the patent breads. That was the last time I remember seeing them. We might have gotten it with another release as well after that, but right here we do have the gold. Very nice metallic gold. This has some weight to it. That's very nice to see. The gold is a true gold with the leather. All leather. Very nice, soft, tumbled leather. They did a good job, I must say, with the quality of the leather. It's very soft and tumbled to the touch. I like it. The black, yeah, it's leather as well. And yeah, soft. Overall, they're soft. Oh yeah, around the toe. These are soft. They're extremely soft. Good news. Very, very soft Air Jordan 1. So if you don't like the stiffness of Jordan 1 sometimes, this might be right up your alley with the softness of the leather. The gold is true gold. It is a true gold color. And then the outsole, ooh, these remind me of the black and gold patent leather Jordan 1 outsoles. That's what that reminds me of. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that outsole a lot. It matches the upper. These are dope. You do have the black tongue with the gold Nike Air as well, and a black insole, yeah, with the gold Nike Air, as expected. Very simple. Black and gold. Very nice color blocking. The bread color blocking, as we all know and love. Very, very dope. Now, let's get into it. Jordan Brand, I see right through this, and here's why. In what year was it? I want to say it was 2015. 2014, 15, 16, around that era, you guys gave us the Mellow Jordan 1 Mid. Yeah, same shoe. Same thing, almost, very, very identical. This is basically what we thought we would get as a high OG, you know, back almost a decade ago, if not a decade ago. So, yeah, they gave it to us now with the Nike Air. No Mellow branding. Those mids do have the Mellow branding, I believe, on the tongue. I did have a few pair of those back in the day. Guys, I see right through it. Jordan Brand, they're bringing it back. Listen, here's what Nike's going to do. They're going to continue to give us shoes that we've seen before in a new version. They're going to continue doing it. They're going to give us new colorways. They're going to do so much, guys. Listen, the company's already done so much. Nike and Jordan Brand, they've already done so much. They're going to continue to do so much, and they're going to continue to go in the vault. People are complaining about it. To tell you the truth, guys, this has been an ongoing thing for well over a decade. I don't know if people are aware of that, but them going into the vault has been going on for well over a decade. I'll just point out one example. There's a bunch. I can go on. I'll point out one. In 2010, we got the Dwan Becker Air Jordan 3. 3 years later, they gave us the shoe again. Why? People didn't want it. People were like all kind of mad about it. Why are you guys doing that? And they did it. And it is what it is, right? That's just one example. We're getting the Galaxy foam posits. They gave us the Big Bang LeBron 9 a few years ago. This has been an ongoing thing, right? So why people are complaining about it now, I see it, I understand, but it's been an ongoing thing. So what do you expect? Guys, what can you really expect from the companies? They got to redo the same crap over. They have to. There's only so much you can do in shoes, guys. You got to realize that. There's only so much that can be done with what goes on your feet. I want people to understand that. It's not rocket science. There's only so much that can really be done at the end of the day. When you think about it, that people are going to care for, right? They're stopping the hyper adapt. No one cared about the self-lacing shoes like that. And they were too much money, right? And no one really cared that much anyway. Guys, there's only so much you can do with shoes. So, with that being said, enjoy them, appreciate them for what they are. This is a really good pair. The black metallic gold, can't go wrong. Don't sleep. Listen, if you want to sleep, you can. I'm going to say it. They're going to go under retail, so don't buy them for retail. You already know they're going to go under retail. I'm pretty sure right now they're at like $200 on apps. So, retail's $180. They're not releasing for another month. Guys, don't worry about this shoe. If you want them, you'll be able to get them from under retail most likely. They're not going to be anything too crazy. As we know, the Jordan 1 market's down. Shoes are down like crazy, so it just is what it is with the market. It is what it is with sneakers nowadays. But yes, we do have the Jordan 1 right here, black metallic gold. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about them? What do you think about this shoe? Are you going to pick up a pair? They do fit true to size, like every Jordan 1, so don't worry about that. Go true to size. Very dope. I do like the black metallic gold, but I'll be honest, it's not a must-have. I'm kind of over keeping a lot of shoes nowadays, to be honest. I'm narrowing down the collection. I really am, I'll be honest, guys. So, I'm not going to wind up keeping these. I'm being a hell of a lot more picky with what I actually keep. So, that's just what I'm doing. But yeah, these right here, they're dope, they're clean, and I had a chance to get them for, early for under retail, so why not? Why not to show you guys? Let me know if you guys like these. You guys can have a chance to possibly get these for $25 and other sneakers. Give me a follow over on Instagram. And make sure you guys don't forget to go ahead and cop yourself a straight fire sneaker bag for $30, guys. $30. $30. Stop spending $100 plus $200 on a sneaker bag for no reason. $30, guys. Free shipping as well. $30, free shipping. You get a free extra bag as well. And you also get a free Crease Guard. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Check out Crease Guards. Use my code Danny30. Danny, my code Danny will give you that $30 free shipping. So you guys, make sure you guys use my code Danny in caps and get that code. Boom. Very, very nice. I hold up the 4 pairs of sneakers. These departments come out, move around, so you guys can play around with it, and great for traveling. $30, guys, free shipping. You cannot beat this steal of a deal. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys cop a bag. Make sure you guys give me a follow over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Links down below in the description. And let me know what you guys think about the black and metallic gold Air Jordan 1 High OG. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Will you be picking them up when they release in August? Let me know what you guys think about these. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe market. Let me know what you guys are experiencing. You guys still buying? I know, a lot of people aren't buying. I know a lot of people got out of this. I know a lot of people have gotten out of shoes. It's sad to say. I appreciate you guys if you're still here. If you're here, you're an OG. But listen, a lot of people have gotten out of shoes. A lot of people have gotten out of shoes, guys. I want you guys to understand that. Everything's down like hell. It washed out a lot of people. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about the black and metallic gold Jordan 1s down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. We're stopping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out. I almost forgot. We out.